Hello to all my customers, friends, and followers. This is Kathi Burns of Add Space to Your Life and Organized and Energized. I just wanted to touch in base with you about COVID-19 and what's happening in the world and give you a little bit of hope and give you a little bit of tools that you might be able to put into your toolkit. It has affected everyone. It's affected even Add Space to Your Life, but I am alive and I am well and I am actually working. I am doing a lot of virtual consulting. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how I might be able to assist. Now, for those of you who are my clients and might be wondering how to continue moving forward, and I've been seeing you in person, you probably didn't know that I do virtual consulting. In fact, I've been doing virtual consulting with clients across the United States for over a decade. So I work with either GoToWebinar, Zoom, Skype, whatever my clients feel comfortable with. I'm available to continue helping you move your projects down the road if you feel inspired to keep working. For those of you who are not my clients and just wondering what do I do in this chaos and how do I clear my clutter, get more organized, and create systems, I'm also available for that. Now, as a virtual consultant, I can help you get your home, your life, or your workspace organized virtually. But if you're sitting around your home, if you're sitting around your home and you're looking around at your clutter and wondering where did all this stuff come from, and oh my gosh, I feel like I'm getting engulfed now that I'm stuck at home. I want to do something to alleviate this sense of surroundedness. I can help in a bunch of different ways, obviously virtually consulting, but also I have two other products for you. If you're an avid reader, I have a book called The Smart Guide to Home Organization. Make room for yourself in your home. In this book, I take you from your front door to your back door, and I share stories and anecdotes that are pretty funny with my clients, that my clients have shared as we've worked together in clearing their clutter, and really giving you hope that there is an opportunity to get yourself unstuck and decluttered in your home. Now, if you're a DIYer, I have a course called Home Organization Made Simple. This course took me 6-7 years to create, and I'm really, really proud of it. What I've done is I've included in it every single tactic that I've used with my clients one-on-one through videos, tutorials, worksheets, PDF checklists, and I go literally from your front door to your back door. So every single space in your home, including your basement, is included on how to declutter it and how to create systems for success within each space. The course is designed so that you can start and in whatever area you want. So say your pantry is driving you mad, you can start there. Or maybe you finally decided you want to get your car in the garage because you have time now. There's a garage organizing component and module to that. So however you want to do it, if you want one-on-one accelerated approach, you can do that. If you want to read about it, or if you want to actually take action through a DIY course, that's available for you. Now let's get to the big beast in the closet. All of you now are probably working from home. You might be looking around and you might be saying, this office doesn't work, especially if you're working from a dining room table, or you've stuck yourself in a closet, or you and your husband are both in the same space trying to work together. Taking a pause and creating systems for success within your workspace pays off in spades. So what's happened with this chaos is many people have just jumped right into trying to work, and they haven't really set up systems to help them navigate through the sequester and work at home situation. There are some things that you can do. Number one, I can work with you as accelerated one-on-one virtual consulting, seeing your workspace and showing you exactly how to set up your workspace and giving you systems that you can implement right away so you'll have a little bit more sanity and a little bit more clarity and be able to get more work done. Again, I have a book, How to Master Your Muck. It's an Amazon bestseller, and it basically covers all of the systems that you would need to set up for success within a small business or within your workspace at home. As a small business specialist, I've spent years helping clients become more systematized and create better success and more productivity, so on and so forth. So that's available for you. Now, if you're a DIYer, my course, Home Office Organization course, will help you in the same exact way, except there's videos, there's tutorials, there's worksheets, there's PDFs, there's checklists, there's all sorts of stuff. And it goes from every aspect of your business on how to organize all the different systems that are required in order to be successful in business and work from home. So that's available for you. So I just want to let you know, I am open, I'm available to help you. You know, during this time of crisis and chaos, people really kind of do one of two things. They retreat in, they go in fear, or they learn to embrace it. I wanted to give you a story of hope that might help you feel a little bit better about what we're going through. After 9/11, my husband and I lost our business. It went crash, boom, burn. Well, guess what? Without that happening, I would have never started Add Space to Your Life. After the time of crisis, I had a lot of time to sit back, reassess, reflect on what made me happy, reflect on what didn't make me happy, see what was working, see what was not working in my life, and figure out what I should do when I grow up. And you know, that gave me the pause, which we all have right now. We all have a big pause to sit and reflect and reassess and see what's making us happy. Maybe you love your career, maybe you don't. Maybe you want to start a business. Hey, this is the perfect time to start a business. I started it directly after the 9/11 crash, and here I am 16 years later. So this is a time to really reinvent and reassess and figure out what makes you happy. I know after this that we're all going to be stronger, bigger, bolder, braver, and that's what I wish for you. Stay well, and it's really good to see you. Thanks for checking in and stopping in. I just want to send my love.